Playing Name That Radio.
Oh, okay.
International radio expert Jay. Come on, play along.
Lemon cookies. What radio?
A bit of his radio medicine there.
This is pretty easy. Jim on loan from the Jim Museum. And Marc's here because this is home turf for Marc. And Dean just likes cars.
Yeah.
I see it on the nice display table here.
Oh, it's.
Well, the lighting is fucking amazing.
Is that a 65 special?
I don't know. I'm thinking.
Ding! What? Really?
You got it.
Mint.
64.
Okay, score one for Dean before it even hit the table.
No, really though?
It is. It says 64, 65 Buick Special, yeah.
No. I hit it. I hit it right away. Yeah.
Nice,
Boom.
man.
A good score 1-0 for Dean. Yeah. Apparently alcohol not a handicap playing Name That Radio. We're drawing the next radio from the deep well of radios. Huh?
This is too easy.
Too easy. Come on, bring it.
Come on, you can do
Bring
it.
it? Okay.
Come on, Jim, you gotta bet against it, man. Come on, you gotta get in there.
What is it?
Oh, nice. Ooh.
So what year is it?
68. Beautiful saber.
It is Buick, yeah, definitely, obviously.
Yeah, I was thinking that too.
Yeah, it's, oh, geez, yeah. A 66 or maybe a 63.
You're right. It's like
But
a
it's it's a 63. Yeah, because if those knobs are the right ones.
I thought it was a 67.
No, definitely not a 67. That'd have concave.
And Dean is out. 4 remain.
Oh wow, it's real sudden death.
Oh, it's sudden death. I'm making the rules up as I go.
So,
Okay.
this guy. Oh, this looks like a tough one.
Ooh, it's a monster.
Okay.
Ooh, nice one.
It has the Wonder Bar on it.
Oh, Chevrolet. Oh, that's like
It's a Chevy.
5960
It's a
Chevy.
5960 Chevy, yeah.
We could check outside. We could just walk outside and see. This one, would the 60 be the same? Be
It should be close, yeah.
close, wouldn't it?
By each, so.
Yeah.
Holy shit, this thistle's taller than the car.
Get rid of it, man.
Does this one have a radio? I doubt
I
it.
don't think so.
Yeah, it's got the cheap radio without the push buttons, but the rest is identical.
Okay.
Guy.
So I think we're going to give that one to me
Okay.
for saying 59 Chevy.
59 Chevy. It's
Sure.
a 59 or a 60 with a Wonder Bar on it.
Hey, man, I'll call him up.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's pretty rare, actually, for a
Deadly, eh?
Chevy.
What is
This
that?
one
Chevy.
survived a bit of an accident. Shit.
Oh, -1.
Broke
Minus
it,
one.
bought it.
Chrysler.
That's right, you bought it.
That's a goofy Dodge
It's a
truck or
Chrysler.
Oh,
whatever.
Chrysler. Dodge truck. Sure.
Ah.
Like what?
Oh, you're asking the wrong guy.
75?
Probably about that, yeah.
Kind of bass awkward, hey?
Dan would know this like to the minute.
Probably.
Yeah, I would know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would know so
I'm
much.
going to just take a picture and text him. He loves this kind of thing.
Okay, this is another easy
I'll
one.
look.
Well, I'm going to go with my limb and say it's mid-60s Chevy.
Mm-hmm. It is.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Oh, man.
But that's, I can't get any closer than that.
67, I think.
A Caprice Impala?
Chevelle, maybe.
Oh, wow. What a neat thing.
67 Chev,
Whoa,
Marc
nice.
says.
Whoa, big
Canadian made.
Yeah, that's
Solid
a rare.
state?
Yeah. You're winning.
Yeah.
12-volt model.
You're winning.
It says
Yeah,
60.
nice.
It actually
Delco.
says 66.
Or is that
Those are
66, 67?
Yeah, it could be.
Chevelle
Yeah,
SS?
okay. That's a good guess
So
then.
yeah,
Jim's weighing back.
Yeah, I knew it was Chev, but I didn't want to.
this one's awesome.
Real trapezoidal prick.
Is that like... What is that guy? Like a 61 Buick LeSabre?
No, it is
That's
not.
Oh,
Goody
it's
Baker,
not.
my friend.
I cannot believe it. I don't know. We'll have to look it up.
What? Wow, you
Holy
got
food.
to
Summer Super Radio Challenge.
Is this metal? So at least the
That'd be
guts
cool.
are easy to get because it's a Delco radio.
Yeah, it's just
Isn't
the
that
faceplate.
Yeah.
That's probably worth upwards of $7.
Could be.
It'd be sweet, because then it'd be like Christine, it'd drive you crazy. You turn on the radio and the fucking
Yeah,
thing
it's
goes
all
nuts.
wee little Richard all the time.
Yeah.
Always asking.
Got a
if
little
you keep
Richie here
an
at
eye
station.
Yeah.
on it. You know,
Name that radio.
1 year. Oh, that's almost like a... What was that like? Oh, damn. Like a 71 Riviera?
No,
Oh,
that is about a
a Chev?
67, 68 Chevy pickup.
Oh, it's a Chevrolet.
Ah.
You're right, it is a
Check out, okay, so that's a bunch of zeros for everybody then. I was gonna say like 69, 70 Impala or Bel Air. Definitely truck.
I think it's truck, yeah.
Final answer, truck.
Truck.
I don't know, what?
Is that like a
71
no,
Cutlass?
No.
It's about a 70, 69 or 70.
69 Delta
I think
88.
it's full size, yeah.
It's a 69 88.
Full
They
size.
actually had different radios for full-size and
Yeah, they
mid-size
did.
cars.
Yeah.
Can you imagine how
Really?
What's the difference?
Oh,
Just the
Lay
dash,
people.
the shape.
Oh, the
man,
angle.
that's 69
The base
Oldsmobile.
plate, really.
It's probably a old.
Imagine that, a guy who bought a 16-year-old brand new fingered those knobs, and now you are.
He's like, this station ain't no good.
Yeah, right? Fuck this.
This is so. Oh, it's beautiful. I don't even want to touch it.
What do you mean? You just did for like 10 minutes. I don't even want to touch it.
You fucking.
Now that I've touched the shit out of it.
Shit, here we go. Now we got
Here we
something.
go. This is
Was-
something more in your neck of the
Wow.
woods.
Yeah.
Wow.
Blaupunkt.
A Blaupunkt.
With long and fucking medium
Yeah,
wave.
Langewelle and yeah, what the hell was the other one?
What's that? Yeah, there's long, medium, and fucking
Yeah.
short wave. What's this, Carmen Gia? Or fucking something weird?
I'm thinking it's probably something
Well,
like
it's just
that.
Beetle.
No.
No, it's not.
Beetle
something-
Not a
has-
Beetle.
I've got a Beetle faceplate for you, but
Oh, okay.
Yeah, well, that's the nice thing
the
about this.
faceplates come off.
You can take the
Oh,
faceplate
okay.
off
So that would fit
Yeah.
any
and the knobs,
Volkswagen.
but
How old do you think it is?
Early 60s.
yeah, late
Yeah.
50s, early 60s.
Really? It's pretty old. Is that
Yeah.
There's
tube?
tubes in it? Yeah.
Yeah.
This is reconfigurable, so you can pull it out and twist it. Because
Oh.
I've got a
Okay.
Blaupunkt Kolm, like the signal
The
seeking
Kern?
one.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
And it's got the same weird plug.
yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh, that's cool.
Pretty dope,
There you
man.
go. Do you,
pretty
have a,
deadly.
do you have a home for it, Jim?
Maybe, yeah.
There you go.
There you go.
You win for
Fucking A.
guessing Name That Radio.
Long and medium.
Jim, get
Jim's
the
like, I sat through all the bullshit.
Yeah.
I better win at least one
Oh,
door
good
prize
job,
radio.
man.
Here's another rare
Good job, Jim.
Drove
Oh,
the right
another
car
rare
for
one.
it. Oh.
Studebaker. Studebaker.
That's like a 51 Studebaker, right?
Oh, it's mid 60s. I think it's a Lark.
Beautiful. Hey, look at the
So it's probably
butt.
62,
He doesn't even want to touch it.
Doesn't even want to touch it.
It's gorgeous, though.
So nice, he doesn't want to touch it, but he does touch it.
It's so beautiful, though.
That's cool, yeah.
Oddball.
Yeah.
I've never seen one of these before.
Holy shit, stumped the expert.
It's
Rambler.
a Rambler, but I don't know what year.
All transistor.
Yeah,
That would be
So I'd probably say
mid-60s,
65,
64.
66.
Yeah.
I say 65. Yeah, oh, yeah, you're right. 66.
By that dog nose texture on there, yeah.
Yeah. Kind of cool, though, actually. Yeah.
Is it though?
I don't know.
Mm.
Wow. Oh, yes. That's so. Oh, yeah. Old 50 Monarch or 52?
No.
No,
It's
later
much later
than
than
that.
that.
It's transistor, so
Well,
it's
oh,
60 and up.
60,
Right?
yeah.
Oh, like a Ford
So it's
Starliner?
all transistor, it says there.
It's probably like
Yeah.
a 61 Ford Galaxy.
Yeah. Early 60s Ford.
That's kind of nice. It was the
Hey,
first.
being quick, what's this? 58
Oh.
Plymouth.
No. Oh, yeah, it is a 57 Plymouth.
Really?
Yeah. It's beautiful, hey? Look at that, eh? Wow.
Answers the question.
And like, I'm just like, young love.
Oh, God.
Well, if
7.
Dean's sure it's a 7, then it's a
Yeah,
7.
I think it's a
Okay,
7.
score 1 for Dean.
Boom, that's 2 for Dean.
2-2. Me and
The
you.
action's so on it.
Yeah, that's an easy one.
Good.
Yep.
Do a 50 Plaza. Oh my god, 50. Oh my god, your bumper wings are so. Oh my god, this is sweet.
Okay, stay with us.
Okay, is that like a 62 Oldsmobile? Damn it,
Close.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm wrong.
It's probably
I'm
a
wrong.
60 from what I look at. Dash knobs are from 60.
If the viewers can chime in on
Okay,
this.
well then it's a 60 olds. Pretty good. What did Dean say? 61?
He was pretty dang close.
It was not. I was
Are we
wrong.
giving Dean half a
no,
point?
half a point maybe. If I could say.
I'd give him most of the points.
I thought it was like a Jetstar one. Man, how did you know these radio? That's crazy.
Oh, people don't lock their doors, Dean.
I've never seen this.
You're sneaking radios in the middle of the night. Oh, cool. Oh, what do you get out of here?
Nice.
Wow.
Lancer.
Whoa. 60
What?
Lancer?
61 Dodge
Ooh,
Lancer, right?
cool. Wow.
Is that what that's from? Okay.
Yeah, like the Dodge before the Dart, right?
Oh,
They had their own A body.
Oh, wow. Oh, you don't see those cars anymore, hey? Wow.
No.
This is an easier one again.
No.
Another Ford.
Another Ford.
Oh,
Yeah.
you know, that's a weird alien
Same
Futurama
as the
type.
other one?
Pretty close, I think. Yeah.
Oh, them old Fords.
Yeah, very similar. There was
Wait,
a sweet water slide decal that's long perished.
Oh, damn it.
I know, right?
Damn it.
Fuck, it's just not fair.
God, this old car is great.
that's another 59. Isn't
Another
it?
59.
Oh my god,
Nice.
that's beautiful. Is that a Chevrolet? Oh,
Chevrolet?
get out. That's beautiful.
See the USA in your Chevrolet?
Wow,
That's a
get
good
it.
one. That's worth having.
It's worth having.
Oh yeah.
Definitely. Like I didn't expect to find anything I could actually use in here. So
The rest
that's really
of these
cool.
are just tire chocks.
Well, what's the vintage on it? Mid 60s?
Yeah, early
63,
60s.
63 Nova maybe, something like that.
No, it's older.
Huh?
It's gotta be like
There's
early,
a wedge
early
shape,
like Chevrolet or something.
Yeah, I'm with Dean on this one.
I think it's like a Corvair, 61 Vair or something.
Maybe.
Sweet, eh? That's cool.
It is cool.
Okay, but nobody knows for sure.
Nobody knows for sure,
Oh, that's
man.
fun. Well, let's look that one up. That'll be fun.
What is that?
Cryco.
That's another
Valiant?
like a Valiant or whatever, isn't it?
61 Valiant or something?
Well, we might have to look it up. Place your bets, ladies and gents.
Okay, you ready for
Okay.
this fucking shit?
This is insane. What are you seriously doing here?
Hey,
You're just bullshit.
no, you go
You got, like,
if
some
you have a
gnome.
picture there, and you
Yeah.
go here, and then you go to search with Google Lens, which all iPhones have now.
Huh?
Oops.
Oh,
the
that's
other
not
one.
dangerous spy technology at all.
Well, they're spying on everything, so you might as well embrace it. The internet. Oh wait, what's this?
No matches. That's pretty close.
Well, this is that Valiant one.
Cool.
That's wrong. You need a
What do you
Chrysler
mean?
one. Because this one says Cryco, not Valiant.
Well,
Fuck, the internet can do better than that. I mean,
I'd like to do one of those Valiants. I like them.
And that's all, folks.
Right on. Who's the champion?
I don't-
Dean was the
I don't-
champion.
yeah, Dean was
2.5.
pretty fucking.
I don't want any radios because I'll just sell them like a sellout.
He's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.